In the last videos, we learned how to write functions and return values. While writing functions, you may have noticed one thing. Sometimes a function returns a value, sometimes it seems to return nothing. That nothing is not an error, it is real concept in Python. In this video, we will understand what none means, truthy and falsy values, why if value behaves the way it does, why this matters in data cleaning. None means no value, missing result, and nothing to return. We will define a function called getUsername. It takes a user dictionary as input and returns the username. But there is one case to handle. If the username key is not present in the dictionary, the function should return none. Returning none clearly tells us that the data does not exist in the dictionary. If a function can fail, skip work, or not find data, returning none is the correct choice. This is common in real data pipelines. None is not zero, empty string, or false. First, we define a user dictionary. User is equal to name Aksa. Now we call the function with this user. Since the required key is missing, the function returns none. When we print the result and run the program, none is printed on the terminal. If a function does not have a return statement, Python returns none automatically. Let's understand this with an example. We define a function called demo that only prints hello to the terminal. Now we call this function, store its result in a variable called result and print that variable. When we run the program, we see two outputs. Hello is printed because the print statement runs inside the function. None is printed because the function did not return anything. And Python returned none by default. When working with data, none commonly means missing data, invalid input, and skipped calculation. Important point, none means missing data, not zero. Confusing these causes bugs later. In Python, every value can be evaluated as either true or false. Python does this automatically. When you write an if condition, Python checks the value and decides should this block run or should it be skipped. If we define a variable value and assign it 5 and then write a condition like if value, Python internally converts value to true or false. If it evaluates to true, the code runs. If it evaluates to false, the code is skipped. This is why understanding truthy and falsy values matter. It explains why some if conditions run and others don't, even when you don't write double equal to true or double equal to false. These values are treated as false: none, 0, 0.0, empty string, empty list, empty dictionary, empty set, and false. Everything else is truthy. In this code, if we print value exists inside the if value block and value is missing inside the else block, the output depends on the value. When value is 5, it prints value exists. When value is empty string, it prints value is missing since empty string is falsy value. None and an empty string may look similar, but they are not the same. None means no value exists, and empty string means the value exists but it contains nothing. None is a special value in Python. When checking for none, we don't want to compare values. We want to check whether a variable actually points to none. That's why this is wrong. If value double equal to none. Double equal to compares values. Some objects can behave strangely with double equal to and give unexpected results. The correct way is if value is none, it checks identity. It asks, is this variable the same object as none? Always use is none when checking for none. It is clear, safe, and the standard way in Python. This is a common pattern used in data cleaning. Here is what it does. If the value is missing or empty, it returns none. If the value exists, It removes extra spaces. This single check handles empty strings, missing values, and white space only input. Because it is simple and reliable, this pattern is used widely in real data work. Be careful with truthy checks. 0 is treated as falsy in Python, but in many cases, 0 is valid data. Let's understand this with an example. We define a variable marks with the value 0. We write an if condition. Print marks exists if marks is truthy. Otherwise, print marks missing. Since 0 is treated as falsy in Python, the code prints marks missing. Use the right check for the situation. Use if value when empty value should be treated as invalid. Use if value is none when 0 or empty string are valid inputs. Using the wrong check can lead to silent bugs. In this video, we covered the key ideas. None is no longer confusing. If value now makes sense. Data cleaning logic feels clearer. Before moving on, write a function that returns none and test it inside an if condition. In the next video, we will learn about Python errors. Thanks for watching. I am Aksa Zafar and on MLTude, I teach data science and machine learning in a simple step-by-step way. Practice a little and I will see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MLTude for more AI and machine learning tutorials.